Well, in Delhi, the Indo-Tibetan Border Police run Sardar Patel COVID Care Center in Delhi's Chhatarpur, which opened yesterday. The situation over there remains quite fraught. There are 500 COVID beds inside, but people are struggling to get admission. Ambulances, autos, private vehicles, all lined up on the road with critical patients unable to still get a bed. 28-year-old Mukul Vyas brought his 52-year-old COVID-positive mother in an auto and waited there outside the center for 3 hours, but could not get a bed for her. She passed away in that auto. Many others who even got the district surveillance officer's reference for admission as per the procedure had to wait for hours. There are no ICU or ventilator beds in the center.
The situation outside the Sardar Patel Center very grim at this point of time. There are rows of ambulances and relatives and families desperately waiting to save their family members, but that family member wailing over there brought one of his relatives to the Sardar Patel COVID Center, but has been waiting outside in that auto.
कहाँ ले जाओ गेट नहीं खोल ले 10 फॉर्मेलिटी बता रहे हैं ये करो वो करो क्या करे देखा है नहीं पहले फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी करो मैसेज करो व्हाट्सएप करो क्या करे तो देख रही यही बड़े बड़े बहुत बड़ा कुछ चिल्ला रहा पागलों की तरह खड़ा होके देख लो भाई देख लो.
When we came here, the gates were shut. There was a lot of chaos. So many relatives waiting here for hours. People had been waiting here since 10 a.m. till about 2 p.m. 4-5 hours. People had been waiting for it, and they kept telling us that there are ambulances here. We looked at all the ambulances, went and spoke to relatives. There were people inside with critical patients with dipping oxygen levels, and that's when we started hearing a man who had been wailing when we crossed over to the other side. So the Sardar COVID Patel Center is just a few meters behind us on this side, and on the other side of the road there was an auto in which a man was wailing. When we went up to him, we realized that there was this young man who had brought his 52-year-old mother, Miss Vyas, to get her admitted here in the Sardar Patel COVID Care Center, but he kept crying and just telling us that he waited here for several hours. Every contact number that he tried, they told him WhatsApp पे ये करो, मैसेज पे वो करो, and that's what he was telling us कि हमारा कोई मर रहा था, मेरी माताजी थी, ऐसे में कोई फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी करेगा या अपने परिवार वाले की जान बचाने की कोशिश करेगा. Will I try and save my mother in that moment, or will I have the time to go through 100 formalities? I stood here, I kept wailing, I kept yelling, I asked for help, but none came my way, and they tried to, there was one of the brothers even tried to pump her chest to try to revive her right before our eyes, but it did not work out because she had already passed away. So there are COVID care centers, but people are passing away right here on the roads. They are dying, and there is no system in place to help them out. The gates were absolutely shut for everybody when we came finally after a lot of chaos, and when there was such mayhem that people started dying on the roads, that relatives had these arguments, after which officials said, okay, fine, the ambulances that are waiting here, whether you have a DSO reference or not, we will finally start taking you in. But in that situation there are lots of ambulances, there are lots of desperate families waiting. Many of them unfortunately aren't getting help, many others waiting for several hours. This is what we found there. We are currently standing outside the Sardar Patel COVID Care Center in Delhi's Chhatarpur area. This is the place that was supposed to be the savior for all those people who are struggling for hospital beds across the national capital. Here you can see the personnel from the ITBP that are guarding this place, but the gates of this center have been shut. There is no clarity at this moment on why the gates have been shut like this, which are the exact patients that are being taken. The procedures that were announced were that people need clearance from the district surveillance officers. If they refer the patient here, then those relatives can come here, but now we are finding relatives standing outside, not being allowed inside, despite a go-ahead from these district surveillance officers as well. They have been pleading to many of the officials here, but are not getting any clarity on when these gates will open. Sir, आप बताएं किसको लेकर क्या दिक्कत फेस कर रहे हैं?
दीपक नाम है जी मेरा. मैं अपने लॉस को लेके आया हूँ. हॉस्पिटल में कहीं जगह नहीं है, और कहीं जगह है मिल जाती है तो 70-70 हज़ार रुपये एक दिन के मांग रहे हैं, विदाउट ऑक्सीजन और विदाउट ICU. पैकेज दे रहे हैं, वो भी एडजस्टमेंट करने के बाद, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा, सबको पता, पूरी दिल्ली में सब जानते हैं, हॉस्पिटल में कई जगह नहीं है। हमें यहाँ से एक बड़ी उम्मीद है, हम ये चाहते हैं अफसरों को, जो भी यहाँ बाहर खड़े हुए हैं इतनी गर्मी में, उनको अंदर लिया जाए। रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस चल रहा है लेकिन कंफ्यूजिंग है, डॉक्टर्स ने क्या कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता, स्टाफ काफ़ी है। मैं गुजारिश करूँगा जितने भी अफसर लोग हैं, डीएम साहब है, चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब है, पीएम साहब है, हर्षवर्धन जी से मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ, इतना बड़ा सत्संग में बनाया गया है, यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी काम किया है। हमें पेशेंट, जितने भी पेशेंट खड़े हैं सबको लिया जाए, जो आ जाए उसको ले लिया जाए। ऑक्सीजन लेवल किसी का अप जा रहा है, किसी का डाउन जा रहा है। अभी मैं 85 करूँगा तो कर दूंगा तो 75 आ जाएगा, ये डिपेंड करता है, ये टाइम टू टाइम। और यहाँ खड़े रहेंगे तो सबका डाउन हो ही जाएगा, जितना मर्जी कर ले। गाड़ियों में, एम्बुलेंसों में एसी नहीं है, एम्बुलेंस मिल रही नहीं, 40-40 हज़ार रुपये में एम्बुलेंस मिल रही है।